Right now, second take. So here we are at St. Osmund's Church in Osmington, and here we are. Right, I got my light with me this time. Last time I didn't have it because it was a bit black in here. Here we are, back inside. Now you can see everything just a tad better with the light on. Full whack, I think. That's loose. That's up full. I've got it up full pelt. Right then. Right then, let's come this side first because it's a bit brighter over here. Also got internet in here. That's cool. Nice windows. I don't know if this is sitting straight or not. Right then. I don't know if it's sitting straight or not. What's that say over there? See it? In memory of the parishioners of Osmington, 1879. Cool. Wow, look at that lovely organ over there. Go and see that in a minute. Oh, look at these flowers. Aren't they wonderful? Lilies, oh, they're beautiful. Real ones. Obviously, I got the light on full whack because it's quite dark in here. And beautiful. And a couple more to come out. And they're pretty. Beautiful. The old pews. Right, what we got up the back there, can we see? I don't know if this is straight or not. Got a cross up there. This is the confessional. I don't know if it's Catholic or whatever. It's a signing room by the look of it. But here's the wonderful organ, lovely powder blue pipes with sort of a golden red surround on them. Here, see the pedals. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Organist from the 1800s. Cool. Right, looking right down the nave. Just have a walk. We'll have a walk down that way. There seems to be lots of food sitting around. There must be like a food bank or something. But look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Black down there. Can you see it? I can't. Let's go a bit more. There you are. Cool. Right. Absolutely wonderful. It's like a marbly stone effect. Well, probably marble or Portland stone maybe. What was that put in there? Oh, restored in 1981. Cool. There we are. There's a lovely little stained glass window. See what that says on the bottom. No date on that one. Beautiful. And this here, little acorns, or fern things himself. Beautiful. This is the children's corner, I think. Go down this side first. I got a bit of a cough. I'll take photographs of them. It's a lot easier to do that. What's this one? Ernest Roy Thoms. accidentally killed. 1920, age 18 years. Terrible time to use your life, isn't it? And it's just starting. Oh, here, what's this? Vicars of Osmington. They started in, let's have a look, 1302. Pardon me. And they've been going for quite a long time. And then they're right up to 1987. So if they can't have a vicar here for 40 years. It's the back of the organ. Down there. Just turn around. Looking down the far side. Getting a bit cloudy here because of all the light, I suppose. Let's have a look. Bring it down a bit. There's that. Cool. Right then. Up towards the altar. And there's another wee empty place over there. Let's have a look there first. Nice chair. Wooden chair. There's the lectern. You can see where it's been cleaned over the years with brasso. It's got that sort of tinge on it. Ah, the font. Not beautiful. Sort of squarish one. Not unsimilar to the one we've seen before in the other church. Cool. More fresh flowers on it. There we go. Tree of Life. I think that's called. It's got writing on the window. Can you see it? Cool. 1890 something. 1892. Nice stained glass window. Right then. The man who served the Great War. The regiments. What's this? This is the remembrance book. Oh, up here. Didn't see it. This is Royal Fusiliers. 7 says it. Up there. Zulu campaign. Served in the Zulu campaign and the Great War. Right now, back across here, and by the, I'm looking up that one today. I don't want to be tripping over that lot. But look at this, beautiful, isn't it? I think this is Harvest Fair, fruit and veg, and that's sort of time of the year. It looks cool, but look at this, this wooden surroundy thing. That looks beautiful. Cool. Right then, we're in the altar area. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh, someone's coming. Right then. Thank you. Right then, I've just spoken to the church wardens, or custodians. They've been coming in to have a look. I told them what I'm up to then, and it's all hunky dory. So, it's beautiful. Anyway, here we are, up in the altar area. Lots of plaques up here. Beautiful. It's a military one. Not really. So, what at the back of the altar. Beneath this cosier below lies the mortal remains of Dorothy Cookson. There you are. Beautiful. There's another step here. So that's about it, I think. Only for the back of the look up the church again.